Hidden among the forested hills of Slovakia stand the ruins of Hrušov Castle. For more than 7 centuries, these stone walls have watched over the surrounding landscape. The castle was built in the 13th century, during a time when Europe was recovering from the devastating Mongol invasions that changed the course of history. When the first walls of Hrušov Castle were rising above these hills, famous landmarks such as New York City did not yet exist, and Europeans had not yet reached the Americas. For generations, the fortress guarded important routes through the region and witnessed centuries of conflict, political change, and shifting borders. But Hrušov is remembered not only for its history. Local legend tells of a hidden treasure buried deep beneath the castle ruins. According to the story, the treasure is guarded by 3 mysterious creatures: a giant rooster, a serpent, and a giant crayfish. One shepherd is said to have descended into the underground passages on a rope, hoping to find the hidden gold. But as he approached the treasure, the rooster suddenly crowed and the giant crayfish cut the rope with its powerful claws. The shepherd fell into the darkness below, and the treasure was never seen again. Whether the story is true remains a mystery to this day. Today, Hrušov Castle stands silent above the forests of Slovakia, a place where history, legend, and imagination continue to meet.